Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about how decimals work in DBMS. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. The decimal function is used when you have a table that requires accuracy. Examples of this kind of data could be percentages, prices, and student grades, like the GPA. Let us say, for example, that we create a table for a college called LHS. This table would contain our student name, student ID, student course, and student GPA. For our student GPA, you can see that I have used the decimal function and added 3 and 2. The 3 represents the maximum amount of digits, whereas the 2 represents the minimum amount of digits after the decimal point. So if we input our values, we can see that for our student GPA, we have a total of 3 digits and just 2 digits after the decimal point. But what if we want the total number of digits to be 4? In that case, we can drop the table and change our 3 to 4 before recreating our table again. So now our student GPA can now take a maximum of 4 digits as opposed to a maximum of 3. Now, what if we enter a new student with a GPA of 23.564. Based on the requirements set, the maximum amount of digits is supposed to be 4, but here we have 5 digits. If we run our code, we can see that the program will leave out the last digit. This would give us an answer of 23.56, which has a total of 4 digits and a total of 2 digits after the decimal place. But what if we move the decimal point to the right to get a value of 235.64? If we try to run our code, we can see that an error occurs. This is because we cannot store more than 4 digits in our decimal function. The 235 will represent the first 3 digits, and we require 2 digits to be after the decimal place. This would not be possible since it would take our total digits to be 5 instead of 4. Hence the error. So to solve this situation, we can either change our total amount of digits to be 5, or we can just move the decimal place 1 point to the left to fulfill the requirements. And there we go. That is how the decimal function works in DBMS. Thank you for watching.